Today, we're exploring a really poignant story about love, time, and just circumstance. Let's dive in. And this quote, it's really at the very core of what we're talking about today. So, our story starts simply with two school friends, Ali and Ayesha. But that friendship grew into something much deeper, filled with a ton of promise. They were on this path that just felt destined, making all these plans for life together. And then things kind of got in the way. Forces beyond their control started pulling them apart. First, distance. Then, communication just broke down, and years of silence followed. 5, half a decade. That's how long their story was just paused. Then, by a total twist of fate, their paths crossed again. They had to face the past. And this is where the new, painful reality sets in. Asha was engaged. Look at this contrast, the gap between the life they imagined and the one they were actually living. Which kind of brings us to the big melancholy question of this whole story. And the thing is, sometimes love just isn't enough to beat reality. Timing is everything. It suggests a connection's value isn't just measured by how it ends. The affection they had is still real. It's a true part of who they are. So it leaves us with this thought. Does the ending really define how valuable the connection was?